Are you struggling to sort a list of tree sets in Java 8? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to simplify it for you. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when your code doesn't work as expected, especially when you're trying to achieve a specific outcome. You're definitely not the only one who has run into this issue. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, "How do I sort a list of tree sets with Java 8 streams?" They provided an example of their code and mentioned that they want to achieve a sorted result like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the issue here? The user is trying to sort tree sets but is running into problems with their current approach. Understanding how streams work in Java can really help clarify this. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a solution, but also a handy one-liner that will make your code cleaner and more efficient. To sort a list of tree sets using Java 8 streams, the user can simplify their approach by using a single stream operation. First, they need to flatten the tree sets into a single stream of elements. Next, the user should sort the flattened stream of elements. This can be done using the sorted method, which will arrange the elements in natural order. Finally, the user can collect the sorted elements back into a new list of tree sets. This can be achieved using the collect method along with the collectors.toCollection method. Putting it all together, the user can achieve the desired result in a single line of code. This will create a new list of tree sets sorted as intended. Here's how the code would look. List tree set t block, list t sorted list equals block.stream, flat map tree set streams sorted, collect collectors.t list. This will give you a sorted list of elements. Fun fact, Java 8 introduced streams to make data processing more efficient and expressive. It's like having a superpower for your collections. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using the Guava library. They suggest streaming the list of tree sets, flattening the sets into a single stream, and then collecting the results into a new tree set. Finally, they mention using the iterables partition method to group the sorted elements into lists of a specified size. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. Another user offers an alternative solution that enhances efficiency. They introduce a custom collector that partitions elements into lists based on a specified size. This method avoids unnecessary streaming by merging elements intelligently. The user's collector efficiently combines elements into sets while ensuring they maintain the desired size. This results in a streamlined process for sorting tree sets. And here's the pro tip. Always remember to use the right stream operations to simplify your code. It can save you a lot of time and headaches in the long run. And there you have it. You've learned how to sort a list of tree sets using Java 8 streams in a much simpler way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.